this is Culina share. This is the main landing page. As you scroll down, there is the discover page where you can find recipes. You can search recipes by categories. You can also you can also you can also search them. You can get top featured recipes. You can also find random recipes, and I have also added like top searches. You can find like Indian dishes, chickens, etc. And you can also add to favorites if you like. As you scroll down, here is also the pagination, and this is the footer kind of thing. They connect with us. It also has the social media like share icons. This is the recipe page, and this is the contribute page. So if the users wants to contribute to the database, they can fill this form and like submit it. And this is the favorite section. All these saved recipes are found here. These saved, when was the recipe was saved, it also shows the time. You can also remove from favorites recipes found. So for this I have used a MealDB API. I have used Axios to fetch data from MealDB API. And when you click on the add to favorites, behind this there is a library called Redux Toolkit. So basically it manages the state of the favorites. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.